All right, I think I might be a little stuck because I've got like all the shrimp and stuff, and then it leads into the steak, right? And it keeps going to the food, but the driver's side, I've got the bowl here and then this, and it's just not the same. I think I need this pattern here. Want to see what makes a difference? Quality lamination. Quality. Look how it turns like paint. This is what I've been trying to tell you, people. There's only one way to do it right. Look how beautiful. It looks like it's painted now. See? Told you. For all your wrapping and printing needs done the right way. Morpheus Design. Oh, tell me, are you getting hungry yet? Oh, here he comes. Yep. That's cool. So glassy. So cool. Last one.